looking for?
I'm looking for my brothers. They're pasturing the flock somewhere near here.
They moved on. I heard them say they were going to Doha.
Thank you. Are you sure they went west?
Last night I dreamt I was on one of those big ships that dock in Jaffa. I had 3 women. One had red hair, the other gold, the third...
Your dreams don't count. You're not Joseph.
I wonder. Father wasn't so pleased with his last dream.
That's right.
What if they are prophetic?
All of us kneeling down to him. Father too. Sickening.
Stop it. It's only a dream. We'll end up bowing and scraping to it, crawling to beg for favors. Stop it.
What is it?
Here, brothers!
Look, the dreamer himself. And in the coat. I swear I could rip it from his back.
Father sends you fresh food!
I say we kill him. I say we kill him. It's the only way to be done with him once and for all.
Hold your tongue. Don't even think it.
No, Simeon is right. To kill him? Never. If it's to teach him a lesson, then throw him in a pit. But you don't spill your brother's blood. Why not? It could happen. A long journey by himself. Thieves. Or a mountain lion. We tried this with the lamb. Father saw right through the lie. How do you make it this? The fact that he caught us in the last lie would make this one all the more believable. Yes. He never expected us to lie a second time. Especially about Joseph.
Brothers!
Well, this is the only chance he'll ever have to be done with him. That's right. To assume our rightful place once the old man's gone. Do it for the future. Don't your mind. You can't spill a brother's blood. Have you thought of the curse which will fall upon us if we do this? Stop it! Stop it now before it's too late!
Stop what?
Ignore him. Don't speak to boys who come to work in groom's clothing. We're coming in search of more tales to tell.
Father wants a report. And he thinks I'm the one to do the job. He told me...
Forget what he told you. You report on me, and it'll be the last thing you do.
I'll do as Father instructed.
Simeon, stop it!
I'll do as Father tells me. And your warning smells of too much wine.
Remember that when the time came to act for ourselves, you weren't there.
No, I wasn't. Perhaps I'm just not as big and brave as you are.
Brother. He's letting you go. What if he tells our father? He won't do anything. Not Reuben. He stands the most to gain from all this. With Joseph gone, who else will our father put in line to replace him? He'll be back. our business.
Was, brother, was. There's no turning back now.
And if we pulled him out?
From the well where you helped me throw him and have him tell Father what we did?
At least he's not dead. Well, we could always tell Father we're just trying to teach him a lesson.
And Father will teach us a thing or two. The flocks are his, the tents, the food, everything. I worked too hard to be disowned and left with nothing. No, brother, we'll have to see this one through. Because what our Father doesn't know can't hurt us.
There's not much grazing left in these fields. Simeon, I think it best if you and Levi take part of the flock to fresh pastures near Iščem.
So you can fish out the boy and throw the blame on us? Never.
Oh, do something, Simeon, before we all go insane!
We should have killed him. Shut him up. Will you fight me, brother?
If that's what it takes. But you're not going to kill him.
And you're not going to fish him out?
If that's the only way to avoid a brother's blood on my hands, then fish him out we will.
To avoid spilling his blood, you'll have to shed mine. If you can. But I'm a reasonable man. I'll give you till dawn to come up with another suggestion.
Ishmaelite traitors!
The boy must be killed before they hear his damn whining.
They're the answer.
Then how?
They can take him for a slave. Down to Egypt. Then at least he'll live and our hands will be clean.
If his names comes back and tells Pharaoh what happened,
Ishmaelite and Egyptian slaves don't escape. They pay for him. There's money in it for all of us and no blood.
$20 not a piece.
In silver.
Of course.
Come to save him.
I won't have his blood on my hands.
It's too late for that.
Simon. No.
What's left of me? The Joseph is dead.